Hello students, welcome back to the sixth lecture on Poisson distribution. In the previous class, we have solved some examples on Poisson distribution. In continuation with that, we will solve some more examples on Poisson distribution. Here today's first example is, on an average 1 in every 50 valves manufactured by a firm is substandard. If valves are supplied in packets of 100 each, in how many of a lot of 2000 packets would you expect substandard valves? In the solution, let X denotes substandard valves. Thus, X follows a binomial distribution with parameters. Here in the question it is given 1 in every 50 valves manufactured by firm is substandard. That is 1 by 50. P is equal to 1 by 50 and N is equal to 100. Valves are supplied in a packet of 100 each. That is small n is equal to 100. Here P is 1 by 50 is very small and N is equal to 100 is relatively large. Therefore, X follows a Poisson distribution with parameter lambda equal to NP, which is equal to N is 100 into P is 1 by 50. So 100 into 1 by 50. Simplify this. So you will get 100 divided by 50 is equal to 2. Therefore, lambda, that is the Poisson parameter, lambda equal to 2 and capital N is equal to 2000. This is nothing but 2000 packets. Therefore, we have to write the PMF of Poisson distribution. That is, P of X is equal to e raised to minus lambda into lambda raised to x upon x factorial. In this PMF, we have to put lambda is equal to 2. We have estimated lambda, that is 2. So e raised to minus lambda, so e raised to minus 2 into lambda raised to x, that is 2 raised to x upon x factorial, where range of Poisson variety is x equal to 0, 1 to so on up to infinity. Now we have to find the probability of substandard valves. That means in the packet there is at least substandard valve. So at least one substandard valve. That is probability of x greater than equal to 1. Now probability of x greater than equal to 1, it means probability of x equal to 1 plus probability of x equal to 2 plus probability of x equal to 3 plus so on probability of x equal to infinity. Now practically it is not possible to calculate the probability up to infinity. So probability of x greater than equal to 1 can be calculated as 1 minus probability of x equal to 0. Now 1 minus, put probability of x equal to 0. It means put x equal to 0 in this PMF. You will get 1 minus e raised to minus 2, 2 raised to 0 divided by 0 factorial. Now 1 minus e raised to minus 2, you will get 0.1353 from Poisson distribution table into 2 raised to 0 is 1 and 0 factorial is 1. So 1 minus, after simplification of this bracketed quantity, 1 minus 0.1353. So 1 minus 0.1353, you will get 0.8647. Now they ask number of packets. Therefore, the number of packets with substandard valves, that is capital N into probability of x greater than equal to 1. That is number of packets into probability of substandard valve. That is capital N, here it is 2000 into probability of substandard valve. That is probability of x greater than equal to 1 is we have calculated, that is 0.8647. Now after multiplication of these two, you will get 1729.4. So which is nearly equal to 1729 packets. That is, in 1729 packets we can expect substandard valve. It means in 1729 packets there will be at least one substandard wall, and that is the required answer for the first question. Now let's move to the second question. Out of experience, it is known that 1% of the screws manufactured by a firm are defective. Screws are supplied in a packets of 100 each. What is the probability that a randomly selected packet has 2 defective screws? Among 3000 packets, in how many packets would you expect defective screws? So this is the question. In the solution, let x denote the defective screws. Therefore, x follows a binomial distribution with parameters p equal to 1%. Here it is given 1% defective screw. So p is equal to 1%, and it is nothing but 1 divided by 100. And n equal to 100, that is screws are supplied in a packet of 100 each. So n is equal to small n equal to 100. Here p is very small and n is relatively large. 1 divided by 100 is very small and n is relatively large. Therefore, x follows Poisson distribution with parameter lambda is equal to np. Here n is equal to 100 into p is equal to 1 by 100. So 100 into 1 by 100. So 100 get cancelled, remaining is 1. So lambda is equal to 1. Lambda equal to 1, and there are 3000 packets. So capital N is equal to 3000. Now we will write the probability mass function of Poisson distribution. The PMF of Poisson distribution is P of x equal to e raised to minus lambda into lambda raised to x upon x factorial. Now in this PMF we have to put lambda equal to 1. Then you will get e raised to minus 1 into 1 raised to x upon x factorial, where the range of Poisson variety is x equal to 0, 1, 2, so on up to infinity. Therefore, we have to find probability of a randomly selected packet has 2 defective screw, which they have asked in the question. That is, probability of x is equal to 2. Now we have to put x equal to 2 in the PMF, that is e raised to minus 1 into 1 raised to 2 upon 2 factorial. In the PMF we have to put x equal to 2. Then you will get e raised to minus 1 into 1 raised to 2 upon 2 factorial. Now e raised to minus 1 you will get 0.3679 from the Poisson distribution table into 1 raised to 2 is 1 and 2 factorial is 2. If you simplify this, then you will get 0.18395, which is the required probability for first sub-question. Now, for the second sub-question, we have to find probability of defective screws. And probability of defective screw means in a packet at least one defective screw is there. That is nothing but probability of x greater than equal to 1. And as we know that probability of x greater than equal to 1 means probability of x equal to 1 plus probability of x equal to 2 plus probability of x equal to 3 and so on plus probability of x equal to infinity. Now instead of that we can find 1 minus probability of x equal to 0. That is 1 minus, put x equal to 0 in the PMF, that is 1 minus e raised to minus 1 into 1 raised to 0 upon 0 factorial. Now e raised to minus 1 value is nothing but 0.3679 into 1 divided by 1, that is 1 minus 0.3679. If you simplify this, you will get probability of defective screws is equal to 0.6321. Therefore, the number of packets with defective screws is equal to number of packets into probability of defective screw. That is n, capital N into probability of x greater than equal to 1. Now capital N is given in the question as 3000 into probability of x greater than equal to 1 we have calculated, that is 0.6321. Then multiply 3000 and 0.6321, you will get 1896 packets. Therefore, in 1896 packets, we can expect the defective screws. So this is the solution for second question, second sub question. Then one third example is that this third example you can try at home. The example is like this. In a certain factory turning out optical lenses, there is a small chance 1/500 for any one lens to be defective. It means the probability of defective lens is given and it is equal to 1/500. The lenses are supplied in a packets of 50 each. Use a Poisson distribution to calculate the approximate number of packets containing one defective lens in a consignment of 20,000 packets. Now first you consider X as defective lens. Therefore X follows a binomial distribution with parameters P is equal to 1/500 and n is small n equal to 50. Since P is too small and n is relatively large, you can consider X follows a Poisson distribution with parameter lambda equal to n into P. Then calculate value of lambda. Then write the probability mass function of Poisson distribution and in that PMF put the value of lambda. Then find the probability of one defective lens, probability of one defective lens, that is probability of X equal to 1. So put probability of X equal to 1 in the probability mass function and find the probability of one defective lens. Here they ask that the approximate number of packets. So total packets are 20,000. So find the approximate number of packets equal to capital N into probability of X equal to 1, which we have calculated in the previous step. That is final answer, you will get capital N, that is 20,000 into probability of X equal to 1, and simplify that and check whether the approximate number of packets containing one defective lens in a consignment of 20,000 packets is equal to 1,810 packets or not. Just check the answer and reply me in the comment box. So these are some examples on Poisson distribution. In the next class, we are going to solve the examples on fitting of Poisson distribution. Meanwhile, you please go through the formulas and steps which we have studied on fitting of Poisson distribution in the theory part. Thank you.